Hey guys, I know it's the weekend, but I wanted to go ahead and give you a video to remind you of a couple things that are coming up this week. So, one, on Monday, you're doing your music video. No rubric attached, 15 points just for one, getting it done on time. Two, having a nice creative video that you are proud of that shows me a little bit about you. What you include in it, your choice. I mean, it can be stuff about your pets, it can be stuff about your church camp, it could be about friend things that you do outside of school, it can be about a really awesome trip you took, it could be a mixture of things. You can have one picture on a slide, you could have two pictures on a slide. Have music in the background. Of course, if you're using Google Slides, you can't. So in that case, have a song ready to go that we can really quickly pull up on YouTube. So I'll have two tabs open on my computer. One will have your video on it. One will have your music on it from YouTube. I'll click play on the music and then I'll click play on your video and you'll have music behind your video. Get your video to me on time. Don't lose points because you don't get it done on time. Figure it out. You can send it to me as an attachment. You can submit it through Schoology. You can put it on a flash drive and bring your flash drive in, and then we'll just plug your flash drive into my computer and we can play it that way. So make sure I get that by Monday. You can do this. You're all big boys and girls with lots of intelligence. I can already tell. So we'll be listening to those. All you have to do when you go up to the podium is say your name, tell us what we're about to see. Like on my video, you're going to see some really fun pictures of my friends and me at Kings Island this summer. And then I also have some pictures of my house and my family. And then you'll sit down and we'll watch it. So you're going to talk for like 10 seconds. You can do this. All right. Then when we're finished watching everybody's music videos Wednesday, you need to come in with your summer projects. And again, 15 points for getting up there with them. But you're not going to read from them and then telling us why you rated your book the way you rated it, what you liked about your book, what you didn't like about your book, what was challenging about your book, why you think other people might want to read your book, things like that. So have that ready to go. You'll talk for about 30 seconds and then you're done. And we're going to put all of your projects on construction paper and hang them out in the hallway. And that way other people can see what you thought about these books. And if you don't have construction paper, it's Friday. I can't think anymore. If you don't have your construction paper, I have construction paper. So do not worry about that. If you cannot print your summer project at home, share it with me. I will print it for you. You might want to include in the heading for that when you share it with me. You might say something like, this is Ty, I'm in this bell with you. Can you please print this? Thank you so much. And I'm an English teacher, so you might want to spell correctly. You might want to use end punctuation. You might want to use capitalization. Just saying. Lastly, don't forget to pick out an independent novel, something that you really want to read for this quarter. You're going to be reading it and finishing it and blogging on it, chatting about it, doing a little project on it. So find a book that interests you, fiction or nonfiction, I don't care. It can be a sports-related book, it can be a memoir, it can be fantasy, it can be sci-fi, it can be drama, whatever you want to read. And hopefully once everybody posts all their projects out in the hallway, if you have no idea what you want to read, you can walk around and look at what everybody else read this summer, what they thought about their books, and find something that might interest you. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please use the remind to get in touch with me. I don't check my school email all weekend. I don't really get on Schoology over the weekend. So by all means, if it's a question that you absolutely need an answer to before Monday, tell me through remind. I'll answer you. All right? Have a blessed weekend. I will see you on Monday. Be safe. No empty seats.